welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe also. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss some wonderful opportunities that are for 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch. So make sure to watch the complete video and also please share this video among your friends, seniors and juniors, whoever is eligible, so that even they can know about these wonderful opportunities. So the first opportunity that we have is from Calsoft, as you can see right now. So the location mentioned is Pune, and Calsoft is hiring for junior developer Java, C++ UI. So mandatory qualification they have asked for is BE, BTech, MCS, MSc in CS, MCA, BCA, BSc in IT, CDEC diploma holder. Candidate passed out in 19 and 20 can only apply. Java server-side developer that is needed 0 to 2 plus years in Java server-side developer with algorithms and data structure. C++ developer 0 to 2 plus years in C++ in Linux programming. For UI developer 0 to 2 years JavaScript development with Angular, React, Vue.js. Location is Pune, Bangalore and maybe other as well. So for applying, you have to simply click on apply now, and whatever the required details they are asking for, just fill them, and definitely if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you will get the further communication from their side. Next opportunity is from Samsung, as you can see as of now. So talking about the position summary, so they are basically hiring for Android developer. So you have to understand and implement software related requirements accurately in order to provide Android application that meet its purpose on time, develop software optimized for usability, performance, maintenance, and etc. based on understanding the Android platform. Roles and responsibilities they have mentioned is designing Android application, participate in designing optimal Android application that meets requirement, implementation of Android application based on a specification that effectively work on Android development environment, securing application quality, participate in solving issues coming from a verification department or market, and improving the quality of Android application. Skills and qualifications they are asking for is typical entry point for university graduates. So this is a fresher job. It means 20 and 21 batch can apply for this. Normally receives detailed instruction on all work on problems of limited scope, follows standard practices and procedures, learns to use professional concepts, applies company policies and procedures to resolve routines issue. So if you are interested and your skill set is aligning to that one, then definitely you should apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity we have is from Tata Communication, as you can see right now. So basically the job location mentioned is Chennai, India, right? So broad outline of the role is, so they are hiring for junior customer service executive. So basically in this role you have to apply broad knowledge of one area within provisioning and configuration management, or advanced knowledge of specific professional operational practices, check for problem in existing system and modifies work processes following defined procedures, operational role responsibility for achieving day-to-day objectives, works under direct supervision, no prior work-related experience is required. You should be graduate experience is 0 to 2 years, so 19, 20 and 21 batch can apply for this one. And job segment mentioned is network, telecom, telecommunications and so. So if you are interested, then definitely you should apply for this particular job role as well. The link for all the job role is given in the description itself. Next opportunity that do we have is from Jebra. So Jebra is hiring for software engineer one. This is the overview or basically the description given regarding Jebra. You can just go through it once. Talking about your responsibilities in that particular role will be active involvement in low to medium level technical design, coding, unit and integration testing, debugging and product documentation. Chip in across the entire software product lifecycle, concept, design, build, test, deploy and support. Ensure consistency to organizational development standards, procedures, and design coding practices. Collaborate with other developers with design issues identified during programming and test phases. Assist in creating new development standards, coding technique, and procedures. Also carries out these standards. Qualifications they are asking for is bachelor's degree in an IT related field or the equivalent of education from with IITs, NITs, or reputed colleges, 0 to 2 years of experience, good knowledge in the following technologies: that is core Java, JSP, servlets, web services, HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3, jQuery, Ajax, Cognos, and understanding and writing SQL queries, excellent analytical skills and problem-solving skills, must be flexible and able to think creatively, knowledge of object-oriented design and development, ability to implement and follow programming standards, strong knowledge of system development lifecycle methodologies, must be able to work as a member of a team and independently, excellent communication skills to liaise with various departments locally and internationally. Fine, so if you are interested in this one, then definitely you should apply. So these were four wonderful opportunities for all of you. The link for all the job roles is given in the description itself. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.